In this example, we're now going to be subtracting. We are still using the rectangular model. Remember, when looking at our fractions, we are comparing the part to the whole. For our first fraction, we're going to draw a rectangle with 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, and that makes 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. I'm sorry, 4 rows. For this fraction, we're going to represent that in the same way. We're going to draw a rectangle, the exact same size as the previous rectangle. But for this rectangle, we're going to separate it into 3 equal parts. And I'm going to use vertical lines for that. So 3. To represent this 1/3, we're going to shade in 1 out of the 3. To represent 3/4, we're going to shade in 3 boxes out of the 4. Now that we've separated out our fractions, we are now going to take these two and combine them with the other fraction. Take the 2 rectangles and combine them with the other fraction. So this this rectangular box we're going to now separate into 3 equal parts. Notice how I'm using vertical lines like I did over here. In this fraction box, or this rectangular model, I'm going to now separate into 4 equal parts, and I'm going to use horizontal lines for that. Okay, now let's count how many total squares we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That 12 becomes our whole. That's our denominator. How many do we have shaded out of the 12? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this becomes 9, which is our part that is shaded out of the 12. Let's do the same with the other fraction. Let's count our squares. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again, that's our whole, meaning this whole shape is broken down into 12 equal parts. Next, let's count how many we have that are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 that are shaded out of the 12, and that becomes our numerator. 4. Next, we're going to subtract. Anytime we subtract fractions, we have to keep the same denominator. The denominator is 12. 9 minus 4 is 5. So now we have a total of 5 shaded parts out of 12. And this is our final answer.